Hi everyone, this is me, Saloni, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Okay, hi guys. So this is episode 3 inside my semester series. Okay, last episode we just talked about the interview and panel simulation, and in this we are gonna talk about building a sustainable product. Okay, this is gonna be super fun and chaotic. Just let me just tell you guys, let me just tell you how it all started. On 20th of February, we got the assignment that we have to build an sustainable product. Okay, not just a product, but actual prototype which should have a nice packaging, marketing, and every single thing that a real product has. And also the presentation, we also have to give a pitch to the ma'am, like how what the product is all about. Okay, so, as a leader, on 20th of February itself, I created a group in WhatsApp. Then I asked everyone to collect some ideas, and we all got some ideas from ChatGPT. So, the ChatGPT ideas were wait, let me just tell you seed paper pencil, then scented coffee bookmark combo, handmade handmade petal papers just for like journaling and projects as assignment, that like thing, then scrunchies with a GPS pocket, espresso shots, and one as a desk organizer. So these ideas were okayish. Okay, so at a point we were just brainstorming and we were writing whatever it was possible for us to make it. So yeah, we wrote it, and then somehow we thought like this won't actually work. So what we did is we took a guidance from our sir, and the sir gave many ideas like liquid tree, recycling the cigarette butts, then vertical tree, seed packaging tape, and then a moss packaging idea. But almost every idea got rejected or somehow it practically didn't work. So finally, on 1st of March, we decided to do make a product of a pesticide from a Bt bacteria. So Bt bacteria is a basically kind of a pesticide which helps the plants from pest like caterpillars and etc like that. Okay, so what was the thing, on 2nd of March we were going to put the final PPT because it was the last day, and on 1st of March we actually decided the product, and we have to create a 20 slides ka PPT. Fine. Okay, so when it was the time to make the PPT, no one, like legit no one in my team coordinated at that time. Everyone were giving the reasons. Let me be very honest, if you're a team leader or trying to be a team leader, these all things happens. So what I did, I just asked everyone for the information for the slides of the PPT, and that they were able to give. And then when it was time to make an actual PPT, I was all alone making the PPT by myself. I legit stayed up the whole night so that I can submit the PPT on 2nd of March. But somehow I wasn't able to do it due to a severe headache and lots of stress issues. I got fever, cold, etc. Like yeah, it happens. So because of that, I wasn't able to submit the PPT on 2nd of March. So I did submitted it on 3rd of March. Later, on 6th of March, when we just introduced this idea to my madam, okay, who is going to take the final presentation, she was like, no, this can't be considered as a product, as you are not making the product, so we can't consider this product. I was like, okay. And we were supposed to do a final presentation on 10th of February. On actually 7th of February, she was like, you have to do the changes. And I was like, so tense at that time. Like, we did order the some required material for that particular prototype. Okay, and like we also contributed all, we had paid the money, and then she's like, no, you can't take it as a product. Okay, fine. Then on 7th of February, only I just took a guidance from the another sir, and he gave us an idea to make another agriculture related product, that is soil boost. So we decided to make this particular product. Okay, so what I did is I asked my every teammate to bring particular ingredients of the soil boost, that is our new product. By 9th of March, we all collected every single thing, all the products, and on the 9th of March only I did completed the PPT. Okay, all by alone my side. And then when we also have to create a live advertisement. Okay, on 10th of March we did again a kind of a rehearsal, short rehearsal in the break time we get. ओके, बट अब एक्चुअली हम लोग का प्रेजेंटेशन जब 10th of March को होने वाला था उसी दिन
around 3:30ish. So some other group came instead of ours, and they told कि there was one guy in the group who was going to his hometown. Okay, he doesn't live in the city. He want to go to his hometown. So he asked ma'am that can I present today? Okay, so basically lots of preparation done by me and my team kind of. So got wasted because ma'am gave chance to him because he was leaving. And I was so not disappointed that
day that I came back home. I just cried and cried and cried because I just put a lots of efforts, and and like my teammates were kind of not kind of prepared. So I was very much disappointed as a leader also that time, and which made me feel really bad. I was like, bro, I'm not a good leader kind of thing. I don't have any leadership skills and all. So I just blamed myself a lot that day. Okay. So that was a thing that happened on 10th of March. Then my presentation got postponed on 13th of March. Okay, presentation का time आया, so मैम ने बोला था कि आप पहले present कर देना 13th March को. And bro, like she did again ditched us. उसने किसी और ग्रुप को ही बोल दिया कि आप ही प्रेजेंट कर दो. And I'm like, bro, मेरा नंबर था अभी, मेरा हम लोग का नंबर था. And I don't know why ma'am did that. She's like, no, they were the first presenters of 13th March, so they will do it. I'm like, fine. देन उसके बाद हमारा नंबर आया, फिर मेरे पेट में हुई गुड़ 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 चालू, क्योंकि मेरे को बहुत डर लगता है टू बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट. सो मेरे को एक एड प्रेजेंट करनी थी. इट वॉज मी एंड माई वन फ्रेंड. ओके, सो हम दोनों को एक एड प्रेजेंट करनी थी, तो हम लोग गए वहाँ पे ऑन द स्टेज. सो फर्स्टली तो आई वाज
but her healthy plant but her
the very first time my classmates were not laughing at me. They were like कि it's okay Saloni, you have did better and it's fine, it's okay. थोड़ा सा उधर से मेरे को courage आया, fine, थोड़ा मेरे को courage आया, फिर I just spoke up nicely.
इंडिया के हर घर में एक प्लांट तो होता ही है, तुलसी का या मनी प्लांट का, पर हर हेल्दी प्लांट हेल्दी मिट्टी से नहीं होता. ये क्या है, मसाला है क्या कुछ? ये मसाला नहीं है. ओह, तो फेस मास्क होगा. नहीं, ये फेस मास्क भी नहीं है, नॉर ये मसाला है. क्या हर बात पे नहीं 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 है क्या ये? ये सॉइल बूस्ट है. ये सॉइल की फर्टिलिटी को इम्प्रूव करता है, और चाहे घर का तुलसी का प्लांट हो या फिर फार्मर का खेत, ये बनाता है सॉइल को स्ट्रॉन्ग. Boost the soil, boost the future.
So there was a girl who was presenting, giving the introduction. So 4 slides उसने किया. फिर I was the one who was going to introduce about the product, that is soil boost, what are the ingredients, how it actually works. Then there was my another friend who came. Then जब उसका बारी आया, so एक slide उसने पढ़ी, and उसके बाद ma'am just stopped the whole presentation. Like legit, she was like, wait, I have some question that I'm very curious. I was like, fine, let her ask. What will she ask? Either she will ask 1 or 2 questions. I'm like, fine. तो उसने पूछा कि after just reading your 5 to 6 slides, I'm still not able to get what is the all over product all about. I was like, ma'am, it is a nutrient supplement. She's like, okay, fine, so it is a fertilizer, no? So I just not argued, but I just crossed answered her that no, it is not a fertilizer, it is actually a nutrient supplement. Okay, so there was a kind of a debate happening with me, ma'am, and a one girl who was in my group. Okay, and all other teammates were silent.
strength of both is like that. He added to the plant to make it strength. You added to the plant or you added to the soil? To the soil layer. To the soil layer. Soil layer and soil. It's a soil. वैसे soil को fertile कर रहे हैं, ठीक है? ये fertility कर रहा है soil को, but ये plants को nutrients भी पहुंचा रहा है ना? Are you getting it? Fertilizers डूइंग ए वर्क ऑफ बोथ थिंग्स, क्योंकि हमारी बॉडी को न्यूट्रिएंट्स चाहिए वैसे ही प्लांट
Two of us who were only answering to ma'am's questions. So ma'am almost asked us 7 to 8 questions. के बाद हुआ क्या? She was like कि all gather up. I was like why gather up? क्योंकि बाकी 3 लोग का तो presentation बाकी है ना. She was like no, just show me the slides. I was like fine, okay. So slide show किए. फिर then she's like कि okay, tell me your roll numbers. So I'm like, why, ma'am? She's like, no, I think you're done. I was concerned for my teammates. Let them present. She's like, no, it's okay. I just got to know about your product. I liked your idea, everything. It's okay. And I was like, okay. फिर क्या हुआ? She was like, roll number बताओ आपका. So मैंने मेरा roll number बताया and she was like, you know what, Saloni, you did a great job. Like I am so shocked. Like you were just answering so confidently, and I just love how you handle the cross questioning. If there was any other group, okay, they won't be able to answer this much confidently, and you were so much clear about your product, about your idea, and I really love how you handle the situation. Okay, I was a bit sad because ma'am was still in a confusion that it is a fertilizer or a supplement. Okay, so what we did is me and another friend got, like what we did, so we हम लोग गए मैम के पास, ठीक है. तो मैम को समझाया कि दिस इज़ एक्चुअली मेड बाय प्लांट ऐश, एंड राइट नाउ आई वाज सो कॉन्फिडेंट कि ऐसा प्लांट ऐश से बनाया हुआ सप्लीमेंट नहीं मिलता है मार्केट में एंड ऑल. ये जूम कल्टीवेशन से हम लोग का आइडिया इंस्पायर हुआ है एक्सेट्रा. एंड शी वाज लाइक या इट्स अ गुड आइडिया, आई गॉट टू नो अबाउट इट, इट्स रियली नाइस. सो दैट वाज अ थिंग. It was like really a chaotic thing, I would ever say. Like मेरा ऐसा कौन सा प्रोजेक्ट है वो ऐसा शांत से पार पड़ा है, आई डोंट नो, बट this was a really good. I'm just so shocked. Like ma'am said, me being an introvert, that I am such an interesting person, and she's like, you argue very nice. So yeah, that was it all about my sustainable product episode. So yeah, next video will be coming up soon, so stay tuned for it. Thank you for watching this video. Bye bye, much repeated. Love you. Let me know, is the red lipstick suiting me or not, right?